Hi guys, let's learn superlative adjectives. Do you know what superlative adjective means? It is an adjective that compares something to the highest degree. Or in bahasa it means kata sifat yang membandingkan sesuatu ke tahap paling tinggi. Now let's take a look at the basic rules. An adjective has its levels. Level 1, positive adjective. For example, tall. Tall is an adjective that is in its original form. It means that we do not add or change anything to it. Next, level 2, comparative adjective. I believe you still remember how to form a comparative adjective, right? That's right. Just add er and then, so it becomes taller than. Level 3, superlative adjective. To form a superlative adjective, we have to add the in front of the adjective and then add est behind it, so it becomes the tallest. The next basic rules are for adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Level 1, positive adjective. For example, popular. Popular is an adjective in its original form. We don't have to add or change anything to it. Level 2, comparative adjective. To form a comparative adjective for this adjective, we have to add more in front of the adjective and then behind the adjective, so it becomes more popular than. Level 3, superlative adjective. To form a superlative adjective, we have to add the and most in front of the adjective, so it becomes the most popular. Now let's move on to rule number 1. Let's use the adjective fast. For comparative, we just have to add er and then, so it becomes faster than. For superlative, we have to add the and est, so it becomes the fastest. Fast, faster than, the fastest. Laju, lebih laju, paling laju. Rule number 2, adjective that ends with the letter Y. For example, scary. Scary ends with the letter Y. For comparative, we just have to replace the letter Y with I, and then only we add er and then, so it becomes scarier than. For superlative adjective, we just have to replace the letter Y with I, and then we add est. And don't forget to add the article the in front of the adjective, so it becomes the scariest. Scary, scarier than, the scariest. Menakutkan, lebih menakutkan, paling menakutkan. Rule number 3. adjective that ends with the letter E. For example, cute. Cute is an adjective that ends with the letter E. Now, to form a comparative adjective, we know that we should add ER and then. However, the word cute already ends with the letter E. So, we do not have to write it one more time. The correct way to write it is by adding the letter R and then the word then. So it becomes cuter than. For superlative adjective, the basic rule is to add EST. However, the word cute already ends with the letter E. So, we do not have to write the letter E one more time. The correct way is to just add ST. And don't forget to add the article the. So it becomes the cutest. Cute. Cuter than. The cutest. Comel. Lebih comel. Paling comel. Rule number 4. Irregular adjectives. Some adjectives are special. They don't have to use the rules that we have learned for comparative and superlative adjectives. Let's take a look at this example. Good. To form a comparative adjective for good, we do not use the rule ER. We also do not use more. The same goes for superlative adjective. We do not use the rule EST. We also do not use the most. So what should we use? Let's see some of the special forms for these irregular adjectives. So here are some examples of irregular adjectives. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, fun, more fun, the most fun.